Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, our today's video contains a very beautiful design ideas of hand embroidery, that how you can design your dresses with the help of hand embroidery. But you are going to get creative and unique pattern ideas. Yes friends, all our embroidery patterns are always trending. They are mostly lovable and likable, but in this video collection we will learn a new design pattern, that how you can design your dresses with the help of all over embroidery design, but in a new pattern, that is only limiting that all over embroidery flowers for designing your neckline, designing your yoke, for designing the border of your kurti as well, and the border of your sleeves as well. Majority of the designs of the all over embroidery pattern have been shown by using a specific area of neckline, and you can also give them more creativity with the usage of laces and pearls, as well as you are going to see in the whole entire video in different portions as well. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request that if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Guys, I'm again and again telling you that our concern is only to share amazing and creative ideas. We never tend to claim someone else's work as our own. We just make this channel to share amazing and trendy ideas. Now guys, let's move back towards our ideas. The all over neckline embroidery patterns are very easy and creative because only one embroidery floral pattern is to be made, and with the help of iterative approach and excessive repetition, you can design your whole dress as well. All over embroidery pattern based mini floral design ideas of embroidery look creative, unique, decent, and elegant as well. You can design your everyday outfits, you can design your casual, formal, office, and some daily comfy dresses as well. So, absolutely favorable for designing your t shirts, shirts, sweatshirts, even your eastern dresses like shirts, kurti, kameez, frocks, peplum, kalidar. So the scope is not only limited to this, you can also do the all over embroidery pattern for your dupatta, shawl, or sari pallu designing as well. So these were the different ideas and creativities through which you can use one type of embroidery pattern, one floral embroidery pattern, flower based embroidery, into different very beautiful unique ideas. I hope that you like that whole concept. So stay tuned for the new and more upcoming videos. Up till then, take care and keep sharing our videos and leave comments so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us in our new videos.